Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the Valentine stuff that is available at Dollarama right now. So I hope you guys love this video. I'm back and creating more content. It might not be back to back, but I will be posting more content now, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you're new here and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please push the subscribe button down below. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate. Push the subscribe button, share these videos with your friends and family. Over here we do shopping vlog, decorating, cooking, and all the other stuff. So right now at Dollarama, their Valentine's stuff is out. They had a tons of stuff out already for Valentine's. Valentine is February 14th. So as you guys know, I tend to start looking early just to see what they have and getting some ideas from the stuff what they have. So I'm based in Toronto, Canada, in Ontario, and the stores that I visit are mostly here in Toronto. So yes guys, I hope you guys love this video. As you can see, Dollarama does have quite a lot of Valentine gift stuff that you can buy for your loved ones for Valentine. I know a lot of people tend to wait the last minute. Guys, if you have somebody in your life that you want to give something to during one of Valentine, start planning ahead. Start planning those dates nights. If you're, let's hope by then everything will be open back, because right now in Toronto there is a lockdown, not a lockdown, like a partial lockdown. The schools are back online right now as from this week, and they are planning to open on the 17th, but that is also not guaranteed. And they have also limited the capacity in stores, gyms are closed and things like that. So if you want to start shopping now, I would say go ahead, start doing your Valentine shopping, plan ahead what of the some of the stuff you want to do during Valentine. Guys, I will be visiting some of these stores just to show you guys some of the gift ideas or things that you can buy for Valentine's for your loved ones. My daughter, to be very specific, she's the one who's really obsessed with Valentine. She already asked me, "Mommy, what are we going to do for Valentine? Valentine is coming." And I'll usually go to Dollarama just to do like a tiny look back for them, for their friends at school, and also for them as well. And I don't know if by then schools will be back in person, but before then I'm starting to look ahead to see what I can get for them. I don't even know if you are able to send some of these things in for Valentine's when the school open, but I'm just checking it out and showing you guys some of the stuff that is currently available at Dollarama. Please guys, push the subscribe button down below, support my channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers and almost at the watch time minutes that needs for YouTube to actually monetize your channel. So as you can see, they have this really beautiful roses that is at Dollarama. One of them was about $2, which I don't feel like is a bad price, because you can get a bunch of them like that and give it to somebody as a gift. A real rose would be great, but if they don't mind a fake rose, it will be this from Dollarama. You are going to save a lot of money by getting them here at Dollarama. As you can see, they have a lot of stuff out already. I feel like there's still going to be more coming, especially when it's getting closer. This is just the beginning of January. This is the first week of January, so I think they might come out with more Valentine stuff, even though they already have a lot right now. I also check other stores just to see what they have for Valentine, and the Dollarama has the most right now. If I were to judge who has the most, Dollarama has the most. I'm going to be posting the videos as well of the other stores that I visited just to check what they have. very very soon. So guys, I hope you guys watch this video to an end. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know some of your plans for Valentine. I know a lot of people get proposed to during Valentine's Day, and yes guys, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to read some of your comments. So please, I'll see you guys at the end. So they have these heart-shaped pillows, stuffed animals, shirts, hats, coffee mugs, like a clear coffee mug, and like a plate that has a Valentine theme. As you can see, they have this is it called agenda, like a book that you can notebook, yes, it's called notebook, that you can buy. Like my daughter will like something like that for sure, because she likes notebooks. I think she will like things like that, like this heart shape thing that you can use to decorate your home for Valentine. If you guys are interested in home decor during Valentine's time, leave a comment down below and I will be showing you guys some of the easiest way you can decorate your space for Valentine as well. As you can see, this coffee mug set, they were so cute. I really love them. For those who love coffee, teas, those ones were really, I feel like it was really cute. And the mug and the plates, that the Valentine's theme mug and plates, were also really good. I really like it. Also this coffee mug, I love this one. I wanted to see if I can buy this one and put the name at the back, the white part of the mug. I recently purchased a cricket machine, and I can just use that to make the names for the mug. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, if you have watched this far, and thank you so much for always coming back, leaving a comment. I really appreciate, and I hope to see you guys on my next shopping vlog. And thank you so much. Bye.
We met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now.